Pltr stock has a huge catalyst coming up next month. Hey there fellow investors and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube channel. Today, we're discussing a significant upcoming catalyst for Palantir's Pltr stock. To access more content like this, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing if you're new. Now, without further ado, let's dive into today's stories. At the forefront is an article projecting the Pltr stock forecast, anticipating a substantial move in February. So, what exactly is on the horizon for Palantir in the upcoming month? Stay tuned as I provide the details. Now, turning our attention to Palantir Technologies, a prominent player in big data and analytics, catering to both commercial enterprises and government agencies. Recently, the stock has been relatively stable, trading sideways without significant surges or deep declines. Despite this, the AI stock has consistently delivered strong financial results. While most analysts expect the stock to maintain its current price of approximately $17.50, I hold the opinion that it should be valued between $12 and $15. This, in my view, presents an opportune moment for investors to consider entering the market. Let's delve into the upcoming catalyst for Palantir, anticipated around February 13th. During this time, the company is set to release its next earnings report, featuring quarterly results and updated guidance for the entirety of 2024, along with a comprehensive overview of its performance throughout 2023. The outcome of this report could lead to a substantial increase in the overall share price or potentially a significant decline, depending on the nature of the results. If the earnings report conveys a positive outlook, it is likely to drive an upward trajectory in the share price. Conversely, a less favorable report could introduce volatility and contribute to a downturn, potentially reaching around $12 per share. Notably, there has been a lack of recent company-specific news regarding upcoming or secured contracts, which raises concerns. Despite this, the larger scale of the contracts won in recent months may offset the quantity of wins, bringing a sense of balance. While it may be unrealistic to expect immediate news about contract wins to propel the stock beyond $20, a highly positive earnings report could serve as a catalyst for achieving this milestone. It's important to note that a 5-star analyst has set a high-end price target of $25, indicating significant potential for upside in this stock. The earnings release, featuring Q4 results and full-year 2023 outcomes, will provide crucial insights into Palantir's financial performance, guiding investors in making informed decisions. Notably, Palantir has demonstrated strong performance in both government and commercial segments, with expectations that the commercial segment will eventually surpass the government segment in revenue. It's inevitable that Palantir will face challenges in breaking into the European public sector defense market, as highlighted by CEO Alex Karp. He openly acknowledges the difficulties and has expressed frustration about the company's investments in European defense technology, citing them as terrible. Karp has emphasized that the European market doesn't align with the approach taken by the United States in the defense sector. Palantir Technologies has also issued a warning about its growth prospects in Europe, particularly in France and Germany, where obstacles in the cyber defense industry persist. While Palantir has enjoyed positive developments in the United States, its reception in Europe has been less welcoming. However, there's optimism that geopolitical factors and increasing aggressiveness may prompt a shift in Europe's stance, encouraging a more serious consideration of bolstering their cyber defense industry. Looking beyond these challenges, Palantir is poised for other catalysts, notably in the realm of artificial intelligence, AI. The company has been instrumental in helping various entities leverage AI and machine learning. Despite the expectation that the extraordinary momentum seen in 2023 may not be replicated in 2024, the growing adoption of AI across industries presents opportunities for Palantir. According to a CNBC survey, 55% of technology officers across diverse sectors express interest in investing in generative AI software within the next 6 months. This signals a potential influx of contracts for Palantir, particularly in the commercial enterprises segment. Gartner's report further supports this trend, estimating that less than 5% of enterprises utilized generative AI models in 2023, with the expectation that over 80% will do so by 2026. This positions Palantir to integrate and infiltrate a wide range of businesses, companies, and agencies, offering a promising growth trajectory until 2026. Another significant catalyst on the horizon for Palantir in 2024 is the positive impact expected from the overall macroeconomic environment. The general economy is projected to perform strongly in 2024, driven by anticipated interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, with up to 3 potential cuts throughout the year. While these rate cuts may not directly benefit Palantir individually, they are poised to act as a catalyst for the broader economy and stock market. This favorable macroeconomic climate is likely to contribute to an increase in Palantir's overall share price, along with many other stocks in the market. What sets Palantir apart is its status as a profitable company, distinguishing it from other rapidly growing technology firms that are yet to achieve profitability. Palantir has reported a net income of $147 million on $2.1 billion in revenue. Notably, its profitability over the last 4 quarters and impressive financial improvements position the company for potential inclusion in the S&P winking and tongue-poking smiley 500 index. If added to this index, Palantir would become part of multiple funds tracking the S&P winking and tongue-poking smiley 500 benchmark, providing exposure to a broader investor base and potentially lifting its share price. The potential inclusion of Palantir in the S&P winking and tongue-poking smiley 500 index is widely regarded as highly positive news, with expectations that it will serve as a substantial catalyst for the company in 2024. This reflects the acknowledgement of Palantir's financial strength and stability, positioning it among the leading companies in the US stock market. Such inclusion would not only boost Palantir's visibility but also make its shares accessible to a broader investor base through various funds tracking the S&P winking and tongue-poking smiley 500 benchmark. While the outlook for Palantir seems optimistic and the company is poised for continued success in the upcoming year, a realistic perspective is crucial. It's acknowledged that Palantir may not replicate the remarkable 170% surge observed in 2023, indicating that expectations should be tempered. Despite this, Palantir remains an appealing long-term investment due to its profitability and positive financial trajectory. Investors, while enthusiastic about Palantir's potential, are advised to exercise caution. A measured and strategic approach is recommended, particularly in light of potential market fluctuations. Opportunities to acquire Palantir stock during periods of weakness should be actively sought, enabling investors to benefit from potential future growth. Importantly, proper risk management principles should be observed, with a recommended cap of no more than a 5% initial portfolio allocation to any single high-risk growth stock, including Palantir. This approach ensures a balanced and diversified investment strategy, reducing exposure to any specific market uncertainties associated with individual stocks. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy investing!